9 books to read if you own a business. Welcome. In today's video, I'm going to show you 9 books you should read if you own a business. I'm Lokosu Sylvain and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you of the secrets I use to start and grow my businesses. I have 9 of these books here, and number 8 will shock you. Please subscribe and comment on this video so that YouTube will recommend it to more people so this video can get more views. Without much ado, let's go to the first book you should read if you own a business. How to win customers and keep them. Winning customer is the number one goal of every business owner. When there is no sale coming in, there is no business. If you own a business and you don't have the ability to generate customer and more importantly keep them so that your cost of generating sale every time keep on reducing, then there is something you are missing. This book teaches you successful marketing and sales strategy for small businesses and every other businesses, even if you are a solo entrepreneur. I want you to read this book. This book has been existing for a very long time, and of course is going nowhere because the rule and principle in it remain ever active. The number 2 book you must read if you own a business is Be a Sales Superstar by Brian Tracy. Brian Tracy is a sales and motivational teacher. He started from scratch to becoming a sales manager for a giant organization. Almost all of his book, he continually induced those lessons he learned from beginning to the end into the books he wrote. So becoming a sales superstar teach you how to become, instead of you being acting like a salesman, you are acting like a consultant to the client. I've read this book, is a quick read, and of course I recommend it. Number 3 on this list is Guerrilla Marketing. Guerrilla marketing is all about small business marketing strategy and tactics that work every time. This book was written before the advent of internet marketing and the rest of the things, but most of the principles laid out in this book still remain very, very relevant and work if you take them online. It is a very good book. I've read it, and of course, I know you are definitely going to find value in it. Get it, read it, act on it, and of course, see results. Number 4, to sell is human. People sell, and of course, we sell to people. By the way, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do now. On this channel, I discuss online marketing, personal development, and of course, business strategy and tactic. And sometimes I discuss personal finance. If that is you, please hit on the subscribe button. So selling is about human to human, not an organization to human, or human make organizations. So how do you sell? How do you appeal to the people in the organization, which will in return patronize your business? This book teach you exactly how. It's a modern book, and of course it tell you about how to use the online space for every of these things we are discussing. The number 5 book on the list, and of course the one of the books I can beat my chest to tell you that if you read it, you are going to find value, is The Greatest Salesman in the World. The Greatest Salesman in the World. Just as the book title, so it is. It tells you a story about how to become a salesman. Salesmanship is business. Get this book, and of course, I know you are going to enjoy it 100%. Number 6 on the list is Way of the World. Way of the World. Now, this is very, very important if you are an employed salesman or you sell high ticket products. You sell a product that belong to an organization. You sell a product that the sale process take up to let's say 3 months, or you sell $1,000,000 worth of goods or hundreds of thousands worth of goods. You need to read this book because this man lay out techniques, principles, and even scripts that you can use to sell any high ticket product. So this book will help you achieve exactly what I just said. Now, if you have read any of this book, please comment below. Let me know your experience, and of course, like this video so that YouTube can recommend it to more people. Number 7 of the book is Sales Dog. Sales Dog is written by one of the rich dad's advisors. You have to read this book so that you will know exactly the kind of salesman you are, and then develop your own capacity and know your strengths and weaknesses so that you will not be a fish and trying to run on a sandy ground. So you need to read this book if you own a business. The next is The Psychology of Selling. The psychology of selling is just about just how it is. Sell is a mental game. Selling is a mental game, and until you get your mindset right, you are not going to make any sale in your business. Until you get your mindset right, you are not going to make any serious money in your business. And of course, you are in the business first of all to solve a problem and of course make money. So you need to read this book. It's written by Brian Tracy. Comment below if you are promising me that you are going to read this book. And then the next one, if you own any business, you sell products, you want to get a website, you want to build a landing page that people will buy from, is Copywriting Secret. Copywriting, as in a simple term, is salesmanship in print. Your ability to write using words mixed with some psychological trick and emotional trick to make people buy your product. If you own a business, you have to be a copywriter. You have to be a copywriter because selling is about copywriting, using word to convince people until they pay you or until they do exactly what you want them to do. Comment below which of these books have you read. Click on the subscribe button comment on this and then share with your people. Thank you.